So you might be trying to figure out how you can go ahead and make a human version of your pet on ChatGPT. Now, doing this is actually fairly basic and it really does not take too much time at all. So to get started, what we're going to want to do is you want to open up ChatGPT and you want to go ahead and bring in a photo of your pet. So click on the plus button over here, click on photos, and you want to go ahead and find that photo that you actually like of your pet or your dog or your cat or your bird or whatever you have. So find that photo, I'll just use this one. I hope this ends up working. And you want to click on add. Now what you're going to want to say next is you want to basically prompt out something that says, what would my, you can write something like this. What would this dog look like as a human? So you can send this prompt out, and what ChatGPT is going to go ahead and do is it's going to go ahead and basically tell you exactly what you want. And I'm going to say I want it as realistic. So I'm going to go and type that in, just like so. And then ChatGPT is going to start actually generating that image. So as you can see, as soon as it says getting started and it says creating image, you're pretty much good to go. So it's going to take a little bit of time. It can take maybe like a minute or two. It can take probably 5 minutes. I've seen it take a really long time. But after a minute or two, it will eventually go ahead and basically, print out this image of that dog and it's or whatever that pet is, and it's going to print it in its human form. So that's basically how you do it. It's a super basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.